Paper 1. Talk about your hero. My hero is my mother. She is very kind and brave. She has got long black hair and brown eyes. She is a very clever person because she helps me with my homework. I love her because she is always friendly and helps everyone.
Right, good. Start.
1.2. Choose the correct option. 1. Monica has got blonde hair. 3 B. Тул has got ашиглан. 2. A. Can they speak Polish? B. No, they can't. Үгүйс гэсэн хариулт тул can't болно. 3. Have you got a jacket? You төлөөний үгэнд have асуух хэлбэр авна. 4. I can run and jump, but I can fly. Чадах хуулийг зааж байгаа тул can болно. 5. It's summer, but we haven't got sunglasses. We төлөөний үгэнд haven't үгүйсгэл авна.
Start.
1.3. Translate the words into Mongolian. 1. Brave, зоригтой. 2. Clever, ухаалаг. 3. Friendly, нэрсэг. 4. Funny, хөвгөлтэй. 5. Kind, өрөвч сайхан сэтгэлтэй. 6. Nervous, твцэн сандарсан. 7. Quiet, дуу цөөтэй намун. 8. Relaxed, тайван. 9. Shy, ичимхий. 10. Confident, өөртөө итгэлтэй.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Sundram.
Thank you. Okay, let's start.
My school is a very large and modern building. It is located near the center of my city. There are many classrooms, a big gym, and a library. My classroom is on the second floor and is very bright. I go to school from Monday to Friday. My favorite subject is English because it is very interesting. The teachers at my school are very kind and helpful. I have many friends and we play together during the break. We usually have lunch in the school canteen. I am very proud of my school and I love studying there.
Okay, good. Okay, 2.2 is grammar. Circle the correct option. Number 1.
How much milk have we got? Untouchable.
Uncountable. Uncountable.
2. There is some cheese on the table for your pasta.
Affirmative sentence.
3. There isn't much lemonade in the fridge. Uncountable. Negative.
Good. Number
4. Can I have an omelette for breakfast? Starts with a vowel sound.
Yes.
5. There aren't many mushrooms. Plural and negative.
Okay, translation. Please, Karta.
1. Bake a cake. Biologigнах. 2. Boil a water. Ус буцалгах. 3. Boil an egg. Өндөг чанах. 4. Cut an onion. Сэнгэн хэрчих. 5. Fry an onion. Сэнгэн шарах. 6. Mix everything together. Бүх зүйлийг хооронд нь хойлох. 7. Mix eggs with milk. Өндгийг сүдэ хойлох. 8. Add salt. Давс нэмэх. 9. Cut bread. Талах зүсэх. Хэрчих. 10. Mix vegetables. Хүнсний ногоо хойлох.
Okay, what's your name, please?
Гард.
Gart.
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. First, I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I take my bus at 8 a.m. My class starts at 8:30 a.m. Have breakfast with my family. At 7 a.m. I go to school and finish in the afternoon. I usually have lunch in the school canteen with my friends. After school, I come home and do my homework in the evening. I like to watch TV or play video games. I have dinner with my parents and at 7 p.m. Finally, I go to bed at 10 p.m. One, we don't go to school by bus. 2. Hugo and Martin feel happy because it's the weekend. 3. Lara usually has a sandwich for lunch. 4. Does team
listen
to music on the bus. 5. Ben doesn't check his emails every day. You can see the explanation. 3.3 Translation. Chat online. Онлайнаар чатлах найзуудтайгаа. Have fun. Хөгжилтэй байх, цагийг зугаатай өнгөрөх. Listen to music. Хөгжим сонсох. Play video games. Видео тоглоом тоглох. Watch TV, movies. Зурагт кино үзэх. Do homework. Гэрийн даалгавар хийх. Meet a friend. Найзтайгаа уулзах. Go to cinema. Кино театр явах. Do housework. Гэрийн ажил хийх. Check emails. Email шалгах.
Okay, what's your name, please? What's your name?
Хантушиг.
Okay, thank you, Hantashik. Let's start.
Paper 4.1. Talk about your friend. My best friend's name is Beth. He's 12 years old. He's a student in the 6th grade. He's very friendly and clever. He has got short black hair and brown eyes. He's quite tall and athletic. We usually go to school together every morning. His favorite school subject is math. He's very good at playing volleyball. I like him because he's always kind and helps me. 2 point. Энэ дасгал нь present simple дадал зуршил болон present continuous одоо болж буй үйл цагийг ялгах зорилготой. 1. I have 4 English classes a week. 7 хоног бүр болдог татамжтай үйлдэл present simple. 2. Muhammad isn't wearing his school uniform today. Today буюу зөвхөн өнөөдөр болж буй үйлдэл present continuous.
Ашиглана.
Where is Petra studying at the moment? Асуух өгүүлбэрийн бүтэц. Where is MR эзэн бий? 4. They start school at 8:15 a.m. every day. Every day буюу тогтмол болдог үйлдэл present simple. 5. We aren't using our
Dictionaries
at
the moment.
At the moment одоо болж буй үйлдэл present continuous-ийн
Үгсийн хэлбэрийг ашиглана.
3 point. Translate the word into Mongolian. 1. Art. Туршлага урлаг. 2. Biology. 3. Chemistry. 4. English. Англи хэл. 5. History. 6.
Geography.
Газар зүй. 7. Information technology. Мэдээлэл технологи. 8. PE. Physical education. Бие тамир. 9. Maths. Mathematics. 10. Physics. Physics.
Okay, what's your name, please?
Sundari.
Thank you, Sundari. Let's start.
Talk about your last weekend. The last weekend I was very busy. On Saturday morning, I stayed at home and finished my homework. In the afternoon, I went to the park with my friends and we played basketball. On Sunday, I visited my grandma. We had big dinner together and talked for a long time.
Talked for a long time.
I enjoyed my weekend because I spent time with people I like.
Okay, 5.2. Choose the correct option. Comparative ER more and superlative EST the most. Okay, first one.
1. I think the guitar is easier to play than the flute. Do you think rock is more exciting than the techno? Mr. White is the nicest teacher in the school. Jake Blue is worse singer than Jack Black. The flute is harder to play than the harp.
Okay, translate the words into Mongolian.
English. Bass guitar. 2. Cello. Violoncello. 3. Drum. Бөмбөр. 4. Flute. Limp. Хүндлэн бишгүүр. Harp. Arfa. Босоо ятга. Piano. Төгөлдөр өөр. Saxophone. Trumpet. Бүрээ. Violin. Guitar.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
Gangabær.
Okay.
My hero is my mother. She is kind, smart, and very hardworking. Physically, she is tall and has short dark hair and beautiful brown eyes. She always helps me with my homework and cooks delicious food for our
Family.
family. I love her because she is very patient and always supports my dreams. She is the best person I know. Choose the correct option. I got blue eyes. Use we got with the pronoun I.
Pronoun I.
Pronoun I.
Second one.
Can you speak German? B. Yes, I can. Positive answer matches a positive helper verb.
Number 3.
Has this a got brother? Use has for singular third person names pronouns. We
Number
can't
4.
sing.
Number 4. Please come down. We.
Can't sing, but we can dance to word, but shows the
What?
between what they cannot do
Do
and what they can do.
They can do.
They can.
Okay, number 5.
She hasn't got new training shoes. Hasn't with she.
Okay.
Father is out. Brother is achtu. Grandfather is obo. Son is who. Husband is nukur. Mother is age. Sister is ich2. Grandmother is ime. Daughter is охин. Wife is ихнэр.
Okay, what's your name, please?
My name is Sodirta.
Thank you. Okay, start.
Paper 7. Talk about your school. My school is very big and beautiful. It has 3 floors and many large windows. There are 30 classrooms in our school. I am the 6th grade and my classrooms is on the second floor. We have a great library with a lot of interesting books. My favorite place is the gym because I love playing basketball with my friends. The teachers at my school are very kind and helpful. We study many subjects like English, math, and science. Lessons start at 8 a.m. every morning. I love my school because I can learn new things and see my friends. Good every day.
Yes.
1.
7.2. Circle the correct option. Okay.
How many strawberries have we got? There isn't any milk in my tea. 3. There isn't much water in the fridge. 4. Can I have a sandwich for breakfast? 5. There are some mushrooms.
Okay, good. Okay, translation into Mongolian.
1. Butter, Skintas 2. Carrot, Loma 3. Cheese, Bislek 4. Milk, Su 5. Orange juice, Jujinsu
Juice.
6. Rice, Цагаан 7. Strawberry, Guzilsan 8. Lemonade, Nimgini Uta 9. Potato, Tums 10. Mushroom, Oak.
Okay, good. What's your name?
Marl.
Okay, good. Thank you, Marla. Okay, let's start. Talk about your daily routine.
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. First, I
Get
out of bed and wash my face. Then I get dressed in my school uniform. I have healthy breakfast with my family at 7:30 a.m. After breakfast, I brush my teeth and pack my school bag. I go to school at 8 a.m. My classes finish in the afternoon and I go home. When I get home, I do more homework and tidy my room. In the evening, I have dinner and watch TV for a while. Finally, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Okay.
Circle the correct option. We feel happy because we've got a new pony. Use the base word for we. Do you feel relaxed? Yes, I do. Positive answers match the positive helper verb. They don't play video games. Use don't for
Plural
subjects like they. Chris sometimes wakes up early. Add is to the verb to singular third person subjects like Chris. Does Billy watch TV in the evening? Use does to ask a question or singular person.
Go to school. Сургуульд явах. Have a shower. Шүршрүүлд орох. Have a breakfast, lunch, dinner. Өглөөний орой хоол идэх. Wake up, сэрэх. Get dressed, хувцаслах. Get up, босоорой, орноос босох. Go home, гэртээ харах. Go to bed, унтахаар хэвтэх, орондоо. Tidy your room, өрөөгөө цэвэрлэх, зэгцлэх. Study for exam, шалгалтандаа бэлдэх.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Rhumalik.
Okay, thank you.
Talk about your friends. Describe a friend using the present simple tense.
Appearance.
Physical appearance, personality traits, and shared activities. My best friend is named Timulin. He is 12 years old and we are in the same class. He is tall and has got short black hair. Timulin is a very kind and funny person. We always sit together at school and help each other with our lessons. In our free time, we like to play video games and ride bicycles in the park. I am very happy to have a good friend like him. Use present continuous to make correct sentences. Who are you waiting for? I am waiting for Matteo. We are not having lunch at school now. Is she talking to the class? Sarah and Caitlin are cleaning the English classroom now. Is your dad working today? Be there for someone. Хэн нэгэн тусалд дэмжих, хэцүү үедэн дэрэгдэн байх. Best friend. Хамгийн сайн найз. Get to know someone. Хэн нэгнийг таньж мэдэх, доороос нь мэдж авах. Group of friends. Найзуудын бүлэг, хэсэг найзууд. Make friends with someone. Хэн нэгэнтэй найзлах, найз нөхөд болох. Make new friends. Шинэ найз нөхөдтэй болох. Meet someone for the first time. Хэн нэгэнтэй анх удаа уулзах, танилцах. Revise for exams. Шалгалтандаа бэлдэж давтах. Do homework. Гэрийн даалгавар хийх. Have fun. Хүчтэй байх, цагийг зуугаатай өнгөрүүлэх.
Okay, please, what's your name?
My name is Nick Silmek and I'm a student in the 6th grade 5th class.
Okay, thank you, Silmak. Okay, let's start.
Talk about last weekend, focusing on a mix of resting, helping parents and leisure time. Last weekend was very nice. On Saturday I slept in late and had a big breakfast. Then I helped my parents clean the house and wash the dishes. In the afternoon I met my classmates and we rode our bicycles outside. On Sunday I stayed at home and read an interesting book. I also watched the movie with my family in the evening. It was relaxing weekend because I rested a lot. Use past simple to make correct sentences. This section tests the past simple forms of regular verbs, irregular verbs, to be, was, were, and negatives. She was in Brazil 5 years ago. Use was for third-person singular subjects. You were yesterday. Were. Where were you yesterday? He called me at 11:30 last night. Regular verb takes id. I saw you at Lena's birthday party last weekend. Irregular past form of see. We did not understand or didn't understand the question. Negative past uses didn't plus base verb. Write 5 regular and irregular verbs in past simple. This section highlights spelling changes in regular verbs, doubling consonants, changing Y to I, and vowel shifts in irregular verbs. Regular verbs: wait, waited, like, liked, only add it since it ends in E. Jog, jogged, double the G for consonant, vowel, consonant, and spelling.
Consonant
Spelling. Carry, carried, change Y to aid.
I eat. Carried.
Watch, watched. Irregular verbs: do, did, win, won, see, saw, go, went, get, got.
Okay, good. What's your name?
My name is Bart.
Thank you, Bart.